Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to look at how to save a template and how to create and save a theme that will then sit in the design area on your ribbon. So first of all, how to create a theme. So what I've got there at the moment is a very Billy Basic theme, blue color and red, and my company logo there. But how did I create that? What I'm going to do is get a blank presentation, just did Control N, and then I'm going to click on the Design tab. There's the one I've already just done. Look, there it is sitting in my themes. But I'm just going to change this one so you can see. So format background, I'll do another gradient and pick some different colors so you can see this one, and I'll have a darker blue. I'll bring that one across, put yellow on there or mustard or something so it stands out. So that's quite distinctive, and I've got these set to radio. That's okay, and direction, I'll have it from the middle so it looks like a bullseye. So that's all I want, and then what you now do is drop this little arrow down and select Save Current Theme, and I'm going to call this yellow and blue. It goes into your Microsoft Templates Document Themes area. So now it should appear with all your other themes. If I drop that down, you can see it at the end there. So what you must remember to do is when you are setting the color scheme for your theme is to apply to all, so that it applies to all the slides, and then it'll appear up there. And then you've got the ones your custom ones. And if you've got company logos and things like that, you can apply those. So that's the theme. Now if I just close that one down for a minute, I'll get myself a new one in fact. What I want to look at now is how to create a template. So a template again can have your logos, your branding, and even content. So quite often it is content, so you may have a few slides down here with some headings that you want people to use in a presentation. So just put a couple of things on there so we've got some stuff to look at. So this will just be title, whatever it is, spell it right. So a sales slide, a marketing slide, and then maybe a resource slide. So you want to save that as a template. You just go File, Save, or Save As, same thing comes up. And then you select PowerPoint template. Now I've got mine going into this area, so I've already created a folder. So normally you'll have a templates folder like that. I've created a folder in there called It's Easy, and then in there I've created folders called marketing, sales, training, etc. So I'll put this one inside training. There's nothing in there at the moment, and I'll call it marketing process, for example. Save that. Now that is a template, so if I close that, Control W to close window, and then I want to get that, I go File, New, and in Custom, so these are the Office templates. In Custom, there's my It's Easy folder. Just open that, and then there's the three folders that you could see. So training, and there is the marketing process. And then I open that, and then it just comes up unnamed, ready to go and be resaved as whatever you want it to be. Now to change the location of your templates, you need to go into Options. So File, Options, and then Save. So this is your templates folder for PowerPoint, and I've created that extra one at the end. Now this could also go into Documents and Custom Office templates. That's what mine was on, and I've changed it to this folder. And you can create your little subfolders inside that, which I'll show you now, but you then have to point it to this. If I just click OK to that and just go to my folders. So this is the same place. Templates, there's It's Easy, and there's the three folders that I've created. Now if I create another folder, new folder, I'll call this Finance. Now when you create the folder and go back to PowerPoint, nothing will appear because there's nothing in that folder, and it quite often catches you out. You're not doing anything wrong. If we're going to It's Easy, you can't see finance because it's got no content. So these folders only appear when there's content in them. So what we need to do is move something into this folder, and then you'll see how it works. If I just go back and create a new one. Now I'm going to save this as a template, just a blank file, save, and it's coming up into documents, but I don't want it into documents. But if I select template, it should go into my default template folder, which it has done, and now you can see all the 4 folders. Finance being there, so double click on finance. I'll call this accounts, so it's an accounts template, and then save, and then that's how you do that. And if I now go file new, so you always have to go new for a template, into custom templates, into It's Easy, you can now see all 4 folders including finance with the new template called accounts. And you can pin these if you've got lots and lots of templates. So if I go back and back again, there's my template. So that's all I want to talk about. So you're creating your own themes. So design, just to recap, if you've already got a default theme, which I have, so if I just show you this, look, if I right click on that, you can set any of these themes to be a default theme. So if I wanted that one, which I don't, but if I did, you would just set that one as default theme. And then every time you do a new PowerPoint, that will come up. Before you do and save a theme, what you need to do is, I think, is go to this office theme. So this is what you'd normally get in PowerPoint if you've not changed anything. And then from this point, you do your own themes, and then they'll appear at the top there. Your own background. I'll just do another one very quickly. Not the same color. Do a red one. So that's a different one. And then you just go and save. Oh wait, before you do that, you click on apply to all, so it appears there, and then you save current theme. And I'll call this red. Save, and then that'll appear with the other one ready for you to use. But I normally just use that, and that's why that sets my default theme. So that's all I want to talk about in this particular exercise. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for your time.